Hi everyone, it's Andy Pelling from Deeping Business Club. Hope you're all well and staying safe in these unprecedented times. We were due to have a business club members meeting this evening, a social event that was to be a race night, raising funds for the newly established charity, the Deepings Community Fund, along with a fish and chip supper from the Boundary. Obviously we've had to postpone that for the moment to the September meeting date, so hopefully we'll be able to run it again then. For the moment, also all members meetings are suspended, but we'll try and keep you updated as to what's happening with those. We've created a page on the Business Club website, which is www.deepings.co.uk, providing useful information for local businesses during the pandemic. This includes links to the main government and local authority websites where information is frequently updated and added to. I'm sure most of you are aware of the financial help that is available, but we've had at least one example of a business that was not. So I will list some of the benefits of which one or more should be available to many DBC members and other smaller local businesses. So firstly, there's the Small Business Grant Fund. If you have a business business premises and qualify for small business rate relief or rural rate relief, you should get a one-off payment of £10,000. In fact, several businesses that I know have already had it. Not me yet though. You should get small business rate relief if you only have one business premises and its rateable value is less than £15,000. There's also a similar sort of grant for retail, hospitality and leisure businesses. Again, it's based on your business rates, but the grant in that case may be up to £25,000, and I believe the rateable value for the premises can be up to £51,000 for that particular grant. If you go to the Invest SK website for more details on both of those, the government advice actually states you don't have to apply for these grants, you'll automatically get it. However, the Invest SK process does seem to want you to register by providing some basic details, so business name, the reference number off your business rates and your bank details so they can pay the money to you. The website, the Business Club website, does have links to all these other websites on it, so you can get the information there. Right, there's also the Employee Retention Scheme. You've probably heard the term furlough used in relation to this. If you have no work for your staff because of the coronavirus situation, you can furlough them. To qualify for this, they must not be doing any work for you. So it's not appropriate for staff that you've got perhaps working from home, or staff that are on shorter hours than normal. They have to be effectively not working at all for you. They must have been on the payroll as of the 28th of February. The minimum period for furlough is 3 weeks, and it applies to full-time and part-time employees. The government will pay you 80% of their salary plus basic statutory pension and employer national insurance contributions. The details still being worked out by HMRC, and they expect to have it in place by the end of April. So see the businesssupport.gov website for more details on that one. There's also a scheme for self-employed and partnerships, again where you can claim 80% of your previous profits up to a maximum of £2,500 per month cap. That same cap applies to the Employee Retention Scheme as well. Now, to be eligible for the self-employed and partnership one, you need to have filed a tax return for the 2018-2019 tax year. So a business that started after April 2019 unfortunately won't qualify. Those are the main schemes where the government is actually giving out money. There are other schemes whereby you can defer payments of VAT, self-assessment tax, business rates, or you can get loans. But obviously the deferred ones you are going to have to pay back at some point, and same with the loans. But they may be useful to help cash flow in the short term. Lots of details of those on the government website. Again, you can follow a link from the Business Club website. So I hope you found some of that useful. And remember, all the links are on our website. There's a special COVID-19 page on www.deepings.co.uk. The Business Club Committee are still trying to keep the club functioning in the background. We held a committee meeting using a video conference last week. The website COVID-19 page also gives you a bit of information about how you can use video conferencing apps if you are not familiar with them. The Love Deepings campaign is for the moment focusing on helping the community through these difficult times. If any of your local businesses want to share a service update relating to COVID-19, please use the Love Deepings page on Facebook. If you have any idea that might be helpful to other businesses, club members or local businesses, would like to ask for help or advice from other members, don't forget we have a Facebook members group. Links to both of these Facebook groups can be found again on our website. So that's it for now. Keep well and hope to see you again soon.